Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to enable echo cancellation in Microsoft Teams. This feature is incredibly useful when you're in meetings and want to eliminate that annoying feedback loop or echo that can disrupt your conversations and make communication difficult. Let's assume you're already inside a meeting. Look towards the top of your screen where you'll see the meeting controls. Among these controls, you'll notice a microphone icon. Right next to this mic icon, there's a small down arrow. Go ahead and click on that down arrow. This will open a drop-down menu with various audio options that allow you to customize your sound settings during the meeting. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option that says More Audio Settings and click on it. This will take you to a more comprehensive audio configuration page where you can fine-tune how your microphone and speakers behave during Teams calls. This section gives you access to advanced features that aren't immediately visible in the basic meeting controls. Once you're in the audio settings page, scroll down until you find a section labeled Advanced Settings. This is where Microsoft Teams houses its more sophisticated audio features that can significantly improve your call quality. Under this Advanced Settings section, you'll see an option called High Fidelity Music Mode. Go ahead and enable this feature by toggling it on. This mode is designed to enhance audio quality, particularly useful if you need to share music or high-quality audio during your meetings. Right below the high-fidelity music mode option, you'll find Enable Echo Cancellation. This is the key feature we're activating today. You'll see a checkbox beside it. Click on that checkbox to enable echo cancellation. This feature works by detecting and eliminating echo from your audio feed, ensuring that other meeting participants hear you clearly without any distracting reverberations or feedback. And that's it. You've successfully enabled echo cancellation in Microsoft Teams, which should dramatically improve your audio quality during meetings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.